Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to edit an Instagram highlight on Android. If you're looking to update your highlight covers or change the stories that are included in a highlight, then this tutorial is for you. First, open the Instagram app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner of your profile page. This will take you to your Profile Options menu. Now, scroll down to the Highlights section of your profile, located below your bio. Here, you will see all of your highlights. Tap and hold on the highlight that you want to edit. This will bring up a menu with several options. Select Edit Highlight from the menu. This will take you to the Highlight Editing screen. Here, you can change the cover photo of your highlight, as well as add or remove stories from the highlight. To change the cover photo, tap on Edit Cover and choose a new photo from your camera roll. To add or remove stories, simply tap on the plus or E buttons located next to each story. Once you've made all the changes you want, tap on Done to save your changes. It's important to note that when you edit a highlight, the changes will be reflected on your profile immediately. Editing highlights is a great way to keep your profile up to date and looking fresh. So whether you're looking to update your highlight covers or change the stories that are included in a highlight, the steps are simple and easy to follow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit an Instagram highlight on Android. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.